Pioneers,
and happy holidays. On today's agenda, we'll be going over
Mount Whitney updates with Jace,
Spend the Day with Music Appreciation Club,
and Jolly student interviews. My name is Audrey,
and my name's Annalise.
and welcome to your Pioneer Report, Holiday Edition.
There's a fly. Welcome to Calendar and Events. I'm Jace Felix. Hold on. This is to show that we're done with this month now, because this ends the month. Totally isn't the beginning of the month. So, okay. Orchestra. We have an orchestra thing. What?
15th.
What's it called?
Orchestra performance.
We have an orchestra performance on December 5th because it's also on the 15th. It's finals, also on my birthday. Woo!
For what periods?
For 1st through 2nd on December 15th, and then on the 16th it'll be your 3rd through 4th, and then 5th through 6th on the 17th. And then after that, on the 20th through January 7th, I want to say.
17th.
17th? Oh, through January 17th. See, we get more time.
January. Sorry.
Is it? Was I right? Was it December 20th through January 7th?
December 20th to January 7th is
Christmas break, everybody. And if you didn't know already, which I would be amazed if you didn't, December 24th is Christmas Eve. December 25th is Christmas. Happy birthday, Chrysler.
I get nothing.
And December 23rd is Evemas, aka Christmas Eve's Eve. That is a joke I made, and I'm trademarking it. TM me. Is it 13? Wait. Oh, there's TM on my hoodie. So it's Alright, so I'm signing off because literally we have nothing left. I already ripped my paper, and my hat is gonna fall off because it doesn't fit me anymore. So have a Merry Christmas, everybody. I will see you in the next one.
I'm an orphan.
Holiday season came so fast.
I know, I can't wait for warm fires and hot chocolate.
So many delicious treats this holiday season. I'm getting chilly.
Me too.
Now on to the next segment, Spending the Day with Music Appreciation Club.
Hey, my name is Yensi Lavasan. I'm the creator of the Music Appreciation Club, and I'm here to answer all the questions that you guys have.
Much better. Make sure that's a C sharp
So, what is the club about?
Well, the club is just, it's the Music Appreciation Club. We appreciate music. So, rap, R&B, country, soul, funk, whatever that is. Whatever you guys wanted to. You guys, but mainly I just wanted them to perform, dude, because I think that's pretty cool.
How did you start the club?
I started the club because honestly, I thought it was pretty whack that we weren't, kids aren't playing music outside of school, and I really wanted to create an environment where they can flex their skills, basically, kind of ego feed them and allow just people to have fun and show off their creativity.
The only host of it, or are there other hosts part of the club?
I actually co-created this club with Gally and Ian, but mainly I'm the one who has created, pushed it.
Together?
Yeah, pushed the idea together and trying to get the ball rolling and stuff,
at the Music Appreciation Club, what can people do there?
So, if you want to get into open mic night, all you have to do is go to the MWHS Mac Instagram and sign up at the link in our bio so you can perform on Wednesday. That's it. Give us free clout. You know, edit something right here. Put the picture right here.
All right, I will. What about the people that don't perform there? What can they do?
I mean, if you want to watch, just have something to see and look forward to during Wednesdays. It's a pretty cool environment, just like watching. It's like, kind of like being at a, like not a, it's like being like eating but with entertainment, you know. That's pretty fun, and the service is pretty bad here, so you know, I think people like music, so it'd be good if they were just here to listen to it.
See it live?
Yeah, exactly.
That's pretty nice.
So much fun. You guys should go check out their club. Meeting every Wednesday at lunch in the band room. All of this music's really making me want to listen to some holiday music. I got you.
Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane.
Okay, we're getting off track, but I think you guys will like this next segment. Guess the lyric. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. You better sing with me. No.
This is Amelia with Student Interviews, and we're doing Finish the Lyrics, and I'm here with
Junior Rosales.
Finish the Lyrics to Jingle Bells. Okay, finish the lyric.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Okay, let's see if we got it. Okay, I'm here with
Antonio.
Okay, you're gonna finish the lyrics. Okay, finish it.
Fa la la la.
Okay. Okay, I guess you got it right. I'm here with Jennifer, and we're gonna finish the lyrics. I'm gonna play the song right now. Okay, finish the lyrics.
But the very next day, you gave it away.
Let's see if you got it right. Yeah, you got it right. Period. I'm here with
Mario.
and I'm gonna play a Christmas song and you have to finish the lyrics. Okay?
Frosty the snowman was a jolly happy soul with a corncob pipe and a button nose and two eyes made out of coal.
Okay, finish the lyric.
He had a pickle in his he had a carrot, or Frosty the snowman was a jolly snowman. I don't know.
Okay, let's see if you got it right.
No, I didn't.
Frosty the
somewhere.
snowman is a fairy tale, they say.
I got kind of close, I guess.
No, you
Got
didn't.
it right.
No, nowhere near close.
Ephraim.
Okay, I'm gonna play a Christmas song and you have to finish the lyric.
All right.
Okay. Okay, finish the lyric.
All I want for Christmas is you.
Okay, let's see if you got it.
Yeah. I'm the champ, bro.
You didn't hit the high notes.
I'm the champ.
Thank you so much for joining us on our Holiday Edition Pioneer Report. Have a great holiday season, Pioneers. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future updates. And follow us on Mount Whitney High School Video's social media. Until next time, this has been your Pioneer Report. Okay, let's go to the next one. I don't want to do that. That makes me scared. Okay.
back to your Pioneer Report. I'm Annalise.
I'm Algie.
I'm the cameraman.
Welcome back to your Pioneer.
I forgot.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Do you want to go guess the lyric? Yeah. Christmas edition.
No.
Go.
Is that by? Oh my god.